YEVO is responsible to all of humanity, everyone, everywhere, every day. We have one simple mission: to improve the lives of all people through good nutrition. Everything we do emanates from our conviction that health and happiness begins with consuming 43 essential nutrients daily. YEVO's primary measure of success, whether by our people or our products, is our ability to help every mother, father, son, daughter, neighbor, or friend in their quest for good nutrition and better lives. Every other YEVO benefit or reward, while important, is secondary and a byproduct of our primary mission of providing essential nutrients. The soul of YEVO, its very essence and fabric, is our extraordinary family, comprised of bold individuals who are passionate about improving life, happiness, and the health of the world through consuming essential nutrients. YEVO embraces all who share our mission. YEVO. Grow, heal, live.